Good morning, afternoon, evening, or after morning. I'm the Mainly Digger, and this video is about a knife.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here.
So, I recently had my birthday. I'm old. Proud of it. So my dad got me this knife. My dad's getting into D2 steel and understanding different types of steel, and he had been talking about D2 steel. D2 steel is pretty much like tool steel, pretty much, is the best way to describe it. It's very durable and it keeps an edge. And one of the cons is it's fairly hard to sharpen, but it keeps an edge. So that's, to me, that's kind of important. So I talk about this knife and how great it is pretty much in this video. This knife is awesome. I'll show you right now. And it's made from, or the company that makes the knife is this bad boy. This guy right here is the Harper pocket knife, created by Tatle gear. What I want to also point out is the handle. Not so much the handle, but the handle material is made by Micarta, and as you can see, it's kind of scaled. Well, it is scaled, but it's very smooth. It's very smooth, but you can still feel the actual scales. More features on this is kind of loose, and I'm going to have to tighten that. But this clip is a deep pocket clip. It's for, I'd say probably, I'm going to say it's right-handed to put in your pocket. But you can take this clip off, and that's actually what it was. I had taken this clip off to see if it could actually be taken off, and that's why it's loose. But you can put it on this side, so it's ambidextrous, left or right-handed, for pockets. D2 steel. I'm learning more about D2 steel or steel material, and it's just classy. It just has a classy look to it. So it's not only is it classy, it's functional. I mean, it really is. It's simple, very simple. Close it, and then either open it with your index finger. Simple. It's smooth. Closed again with this clip in the middle right here, or any finger really. Oh, here's middle finger. It's just simple, a simple design and very functional, and it fits. You can fit right in your pocket, any pocket really. Anyway, this is cool. I don't know if this came with it. It is obviously it's a holster. So we'll just call it a holster. I want to call it a holster for either upright carry or side carry, like an appendix carry. A lot of times I'm uncomfortable in vehicles, getting into vehicles and you know, buckling up and stuff like that. It'll dig into my side if I have it like this. So I love the side carry. I've always loved the side carry because it's a little bit more concealed. Very cool. It's stylish. It's very stylish. That's what I like about it. This whole knife is just has a classy style to it. It's simple, and I can take it, you know, on the work side, or you know, into the office, and they might side eye me, but it's not a threatening style of knife. So an estimated length, total length, about 7 inches. It is perfect for your pocket. Folds up, like I said, fairly neat, fairly nice. It fits in your hand really easy. It has the maker's mark right there, the stamp. If you can't see the stamp or can't read it, it is a TG. So I'm going to test the blade, and I'm going to start off with paper and pretty much cut things that are around me, because that's what I have right now. So here is my notes. Secret style. I'm going to cut these in half and see how it does. Good times. I got no vise. I'm all set. I'm ready. So I'm going to take this knife and this water bottle, and take this water bottle and have the knife cut the water bottle or poke the water bottle. We'll see how this works. It went in fairly easy, like butter. As predicted, it went through like butter. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my knife reveal unboxing. It's a knife. Like you can't go wrong. It's a cool knife. It's winter time still, and I really want to get out metal detecting. So I'm jonesing. I really am. But I am happy doing these reveals and unboxings. So mainly big out.